This is dead serious. My name is not Keith, and I am one of two people on a team called G19. Now, G18, I've actually infiltrated NSA, FBI, IRS, and lots of police departments and court systems and lawyers around Atlanta. Surprise, surprise. Guess why? Because I have artistic license to get the coolest real life information about what people are doing right. Can you imagine that? And nobody pays attention to me because I'm a disruptive, little bit, just a little bit. You fill the blank in. Is it smart or is it crazy? Because on one YouTube at Uptown Comedy Club, I purposely stated on February 22nd, I want to be the dumbest guy, or not smartest, guy in the room. Now, for those of you that are not brainies, don't figure out what I have been doing for more than 4 years. There's a reason and a story behind everything that you have done. And I'm having so much fun because I have sovereign immunity at a level lower than anybody else. What do you mean lower sovereign immunity? Listen, as long as I benefit everyone else and never benefit myself, I can do anything I want. The lawyers are going to look this law up to say, he's right. Try to prove he's right. Now, if you prove me wrong, oh boy, please sue me for trying to do what's right. I've got so many police departments and judges and lawyers that are worried to heaven that I may have, instead of affecting their job and making $100,000 to $200,000 a year or $1 million a year, they're afraid I'm going to help their competition make 4, maybe 5 times more money legally. And if they've ever done an indiscretion that's caught on videotape, they can go right home and they can ride the wave right to the beach because they have nothing to worry about, because everybody has something to hide except the green G19 team. Artistic license. All rights reserved. Copyright 2011. Parent company is builtbykeith.com, and one of the websites, among many others, because this is a game, by the way, no one wants to play, no one should play, everyone go away, because I'm too busy writing at Bistro St. Regis, and all over town, nobody knows not Keith. Oh, Lord. What's he up to next? He's actually a member, and this is actually quite true, he's a member of NSAGeorgia.com. NSAGeorgia.com. It's the most secret, open organization around. Oh my God. He's onto something, and he doesn't mind making mistakes and look a little silly. Sometimes even a little Einstein. What's he up to next? Not Keith.